Oh my goodness, you guys, what are these trinket dishes? Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. And they look like donuts. Look, you got the chocolate. You got this one. Somebody opened that one. So it looks like that on the inside. Oh, these are cute. I will definitely be getting those. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm home, I do have a haul, and don't judge me, okay? I am using my my blanket that I picked up at Burlington around the fall, but I mean, I still use it. I know it's spring, but I can't help it. So I'm using that for today. But anyways, yeah, when I saw these, I thought these were so cute, and this is what it looks like. So I went ahead and I picked up this one right here. I did pick up the chocolate one as well. And you guys know these things are going to go so fast. As soon as they hit the shelves, people are going to purchase these. And then I picked up these two right here. Aren't they cute? Look at that. These will be so cute as little gifts for a teenager, or even if you want to just keep it for yourself. What I will say is they're not that big on the inside. Maybe a ring or two can, well, not more than two, but let's see. You can drop a couple things in there. And so see, the top won't sit flush. Like, I mean, it won't sit all the way, you know, down like it's supposed to, because the ring is a little, this one is a little too big. That one was okay. But it just depends on the size of your rings or whatever. But yeah, so they're really cute though as decor. So I did pick up all four of those. Next, I saw some new cosmetic bags, and I really like that pattern with the roses and the lipsticks and everything on there, so I picked it up. Plus I like that it's black, so that one, I did pick up two of those. And then I picked up this one, and I like that as well. They did have one more. It was like a pink and white pattern. I can't remember what it was, but these were the two that I thought were cute, so I grabbed these. They had some really cute pencil pouches. This was the only two that I picked up. This one says no problema, and it's just basically for pencils to put inside of your binder or planner or wherever you want to put this at. I picked up that one. They had some other patterns and everything with the mermaid and the flamingo. And then I picked up this one because I thought this one was really nice. And yeah, you guys know I usually pick up magnets. This was the only one that I thought was really cute, so I grabbed this one. I don't even believe myself when I say I'll be ready in 5 minutes. That is so funny. So I grabbed that. Then they had these other magnets, and it says real wood laser engraved, and I just thought these were real pretty. They do have the magnet piece behind it. So this one looks like this. I got that one with the cute little blue jewel. This one, super adorable. Look at her. And this one has a little dangling heart like that. Really, really pretty. She's so cute. This one, look at this owl. Look, she has a little bow on her little hair. She has a purple dangling thing with a little gemstone. Then I got the fox. How cute is that? And then I also got this one right here. And that one says peace. I saw these microfiber screen cleaners. I picked up one for Pooh Bear and one for my daughter. Pooh Bear can clean his little tablet, and my daughter can use it for her cell phone or whatever she wants to clean, you know, with it. They're really, really soft, and I think you can get like 2 or 3 fingers in there and, you know, just wipe down something. But these are super cute. I saw some more keychains, and these are Plush. It says Plush Charm. So it looks like this, and they're really kind of squishy. It has a little hook on the end, and I only picked up the 2 that I thought were really cute. So I got Pow and I got Bang. I really like the little colors, and these are just like the little pictures that they had a few weeks ago. And there were other sayings of these, but these were the only 2 I really wanted to get. I saw these pins. I thought these were kind of cute, so I went ahead and got these 2. This one is pink, this one is green, but it has the blue like feathers, and this one has the purple feathers. And so I just picked up these. They also had these mermaid pins, and I swear these mermaid pins were there in the past. I just think there were different colors. I can't remember right offhand. So I did get this one. It's pink and green. This one is really pretty, like turquoise and then pink. And then this one is yellow, pink, and purple. And I just really like the colors on those. And I'll give these as like, you know, gifts in the summer in my Poshmark stuff or whatever. So that's why I picked up these three. I did get another gel pen. My daughter took my other one. I have the other colors as well, but these write really, really good. I love the fine tip on this one, and they write really smooth. So I went ahead and picked up another one of the donut pens. In my last Come With Me video, I showed you guys the Uniball pens. They're gel pens, and they do come the color of the pen. So I end up having two purples, a pink, and a green. I haven't opened these yet to give them a try, but they're gel pens, so I think they're going to work really good, and Uniball is a good brand. Then I saw these cute little pictures, and I love that it's trimmed in gold. It says, "You got this." And I haven't took the wrapper off yet, but I'm wondering if you can open this up and maybe put like sequins in there or feathers or little rose petals or something that you want to put in there, because it is like a shadow box. You might even be able to scrape that off and use this in crafting or something like that, but I thought this was cute. They did have two other sayings. I didn't get them. If I took pictures, then I'll put them at the end of this video, but for now this is the one I picked up. I ended up getting the pineapple infinity scarf just because I really like the colors. I thought this one was really cute, so I got that one. And then I also got this one, and I think I've seen this before, but I didn't get it, and I just like the colors on it. I like how they're kind of, you know, separated and not all over the place. So I picked this up because I like the color pattern on that one. Okay, let's get into these stickers, because I did see some more stickers. I think these ones were at the Dollar Tree in the past, and I had these before, but I used them up, so I got some more. And it's just some hearts with a little bird and a little piece of candy or whatever. I think those are super cute for spring. Now these are new. There's some little bugs, and spring is around the corner, so if you're doing any spring crafting, look at the little ant. You might want to grab these to put on some crafts. These are super cute. I love them, and they're that what is this called? I can't remember the texture or what this is called, what they're made out of, but they're kind of hard, but they are flexible. I don't know. I like those though. So I got those. I picked up 2 packs of these because these are super cute. Believe in Magic, Find Your Way, Wanderlust. But look at the little, you know, the candies, the cupcake, the diamond. I think these are super cute. So I did pick up 2 of those. Then I got this one. I don't remember seeing this one. I think that is really pretty. I love this one right here. It says "Live for Today and Laugh Often." And I really like this one right here with the swing. Super cute. So I got that. In my last walk with me or come with me video, I did show these and I ended up getting them. So this is the pack in case you missed that video. I did get these with the succulents and the alpaca or the llama, whatever that is. This one, super cute. I love the way they look, the little foil on them. And then this one with the unicorns. And this one is my favorite one. Chic Happens, or Chic. And Best Friend. These are so cute. So I picked up all of those, and the last thing over in that section was I went ahead and got this magnetic list pad. I like the donuts, so I picked that one up. We are almost done, you guys. They are putting out their barbecue stuff, so I went ahead and got this grill topper to do exactly what's on the picture. Put a couple kebabs on here. I started to pick up 2, but I didn't. I want to see how this one works because I haven't picked up one of these in the past. I need to clean my grill, so I went ahead and I got this grill scrubber. These are always in the Dollar Tree. And then this one, I don't remember this being there, and I needed this as well. And this is really, really hard. So this is definitely going to clean the grill really good, and it's a wire grill cleaner, and it seems like it's made nice, so it shouldn't break or anything. But for $1, I was like, that is definitely a good deal. So then I got these Mucinex Sinus Max Severe Congestion and Pain. You get 16 of them in here. This is so good for $1. Now the only thing with these, when did they expire? They will be expiring in July of this year. So hopefully nobody gets sick in my household to where we really need these, but I just wanted to keep these on hand in case of an emergency, because this is definitely a good deal. I picked up 2 books and my collection is definitely growing, even though I don't really find the time to read, which I keep saying I need to, because I love reading books like this. And this is Hate List 2, and most of the time this one says Walmart exclusive edition. I said addiction, oh Lord. Edition for $3.74. Most of the time if I don't get to it, my mom will come and read the book and then bring it back, or you know, or I'll just tell her to keep it. Then I got this. I love Judge Hatchett. I love her. So when I seen this, I was like, yes, I have to get this. Dare to Take Charge, How to Live Your Life on Purpose. Yes, I needed to have this book. So, and it retailed for $15.99. So these are the only 2 books I picked up. So then I got these Shopkins cards, and I picked these up for a friend because she has 3 daughters and she'll probably want to put these in the Easter baskets. But these are so cute. Look at this. So this is basically like, it says Go Shopping Card Game. On the back it said it was like Go Fish. Go Fish card game lets kids search for their favorite Shopkins. But the cool thing about this was you get the cards, but then each box comes with a little Shopkin. How cute is that? It said includes design available only in our games. So it's like an exclusive little, I don't know, Shopkin or whatever. But look at that little telephone. That is adorable. And then this one right here, it says Super Lash, I think. I'm not sure what them little words say, but this is some kind of, has something to do with some makeup. I know that. It's either a mascara, a lipstick, I'm not sure, but whatever it is, it's cute. And then this one I thought was super cute. It's a little stapler with some little eyelashes and everything in her mouth and all of that. And so I just thought these would be some really cute little cards. I didn't want to pass these up even though I don't need them. But like I said, I have a friend, so I'll pass these along. But definitely worth that $1. What I did pick up for Pooh Bear was one of these jump ropes. Now usually Dollar Tree has the jump ropes that are like the thin ones, not this wire type of a rope. And they're kind of hard to turn when a child is trying to jump. They don't turn, you know, really well. I do like jump ropes that are made like this. So this is what I picked up. They had some other ones. They only had one blue one. They had purple, but the handles were like for girls. This was the only one that was kind of like for a boy. So I picked up this, and it says it is 9 feet. Also, I got these building blocks, and these are super cool. You get 14 in each pack, and they're just like these little things that you can pop together, and he can, you know, or your child, I'm saying he like Pooh Bear, but your child can, you know, create things. And that's why I picked up 2, because I figured he would want to do more stuff with, you know, both packs. I also saw these, and they do the same thing, building circles, and you can kind of piece them together or whatever. So I picked up 2 of those, and those come with 30 in the pack. These are definitely good. If you have a preschool or a teacher or a child care provider, you should definitely go pick up these kind of things. Get you some bins and put these in there. Those would be really nice. Now I did get one pack that is different, and they looked like this. They had like different little pieces and stuff. As you can see, Pooh Bear already opened it and he started working on one, and this one had like little shapes, hearts, and these like little pieces. They just pop on and off like that, and you can pop these anywhere you want. And so he's been messing around with these, and I can't remember how many came in this pack because there's a few scattered, but I also picked up that pack as well. Okay, this I thought was super cute. I don't know if I'm going to give it to Pooh Bear's teacher for this year, even though school is almost over, or I might save it and see if his next year teacher, like kindergarten teacher, might want this. But it was too cute for me to not, you know, not to get. and it's a door decor kit, and it looks like a giant, look at the size of the door, so it's showing you how big it is. This is a giant gumball machine, super cute. Right here it says choose to be the best. It says we stick together, and then it has all the little bursting with talent, stick with it. These are so cute, and it looks like that. So it comes in pieces and you have to put them together. A 9-piece set. I think that is so cute. And then the last 3 things that I got was, I went ahead and I picked up these sweet potato and sea salt non-GMO vegetable chips. I want to give those a try. They expire June 26th of this year. So I grabbed those, and then what I was looking for, I found some more. These are so good. I showed these in a previous video, and I'm not a big fan of white chocolate, and I think that's what this is with lemon flavoring, but for some reason I can deal with this. It says lemon candy with a sour kick. I thought it was going to be like some kind of like lemon drop type of a candy when I first found them, but after I brought them home and opened them, it's like a wafer or a round piece of, I'll show you in case you haven't seen them. It's just a round piece of chocolate that has lemon flavor with a little bit of tartness, like sourness to them. These are so good and so creamy, so I had to get 2 packs of those. And that is it, everybody, for my Dollar Tree haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If I have any pictures, I will put them up now. I'm not sure if I do though. But that's it. I hope you guys stay tuned, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.